Hi there! In this video, I will give you a quick guide on how you can withdraw money from CoinGecko. So please listen carefully to each step that I will be explaining, and this will help you safely transfer your cryptocurrency funds to your wallet or bank. So first, you will have to go to exchange that is linked to your CoinGecko account, and what you will have to do is, of course, go to wallet, and then by the way, you have to make sure that you're already logged into your CoinGecko account so that you will be able to actually do these steps. And then once you go to your wallet, you will click withdraw, and then you will select the coin or the currency that you would want to withdraw. Then you will enter your destination wallet address or bank details, and then you will enter the amount and confirm the transactions, and then you will wait for the withdrawal to complete. You can track it under transaction history. And yeah, that's basically it. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have a good day.